Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way and the proper way or the correct way to download and install the free version of Visual Studio or Visual Studio Community. Open your browser and type install Visual Studio and hit enter. The official website for Visual Studio is visualstudio.microsoft.com. It is based to download and install any tools from their official website, from their official creator or publisher. Click on the link that says visualstudio.microsoft.com. Visual Studio 2022. Here you have Community, Professional, Enterprise. The Professional and Enterprise versions are not free. Here you have free trial, and here you have free download. Click on free download. Very nice, the installer is downloaded. Here you have some courses, tutorials, tips that help you with Visual Studio. Now go to your download folder. Here you have the executable file, the file that you just downloaded. Double click on it. Click on continue. Close the browser, we don't need it anymore. Here you have components. Depending on what you are doing with Visual Studio, you can add different components. For example, I do a lot about ASP.NET and web development, so I check this. If you are making or building mobile applications, then you also need to check this one. .NET multi-platform app UI development, mobile development with C++, game development with C++, data storage and processing. It helps you with SQL Server and etc. Click on install. As you see, this is going to take a while, so I'm going to speed up the video to save some times. Okay, beautiful. Visual Studio 2022 is installed successfully. Now let's test it and create a new project. It is also the dark mode, and I will show you how to change some settings, how to change the user interface and the themes. Create a new project. So we don't need this anymore. Close it. Let us create a new React with the ASP.NET project. Type here React app, React app, a full stack application with a front-end React project and a backend ASP.NET Core project, JavaScript. You can select the same project with TypeScript. So select it, click on next. Test React app. You can change the location. Select the folder, click on next. Now the .NET Framework version, you have .NET 8 long-term support, you have .NET 9 standard terms. I prefer always to use the long-term support. Configure for HTTPS, enable Open API support, use controllers. I prefer to do not use top-level statements. With the top-level statements, it looks more like Python and or JavaScript, and it does not feel like C sharp anymore. You know, this one is new. Okay, click on create. Okay, the name is not correct. Probably there shouldn't be any space. Now click on create. Yes, save. Okay, let us first change the theme. For whatever you want to do in Visual Studio, it is best to use the search, and if you use only one word or half of the word, it is enough, and it is faster to jump to any part of Visual Studio that you want. Now color theme is dark. Let us use light. Okay, now it looks much better for me. Like Visual Studio Code, you can also add extensions, manage extensions, and here you can browse any extension that you like. For example, let us see what it has for HTML. HTML is snippet pack, HTML11, format on save, code formatter, JSON formatter. So you can search here any extension that you like and then install it. This is how it looks like now. If you're not happy with the look of your code in Visual Studio, you can change everything. To change the code style, go to debug and click on options. And here under the options, you can manage everything. Under the environment, fonts and color, by default is 10. Let us make it 12. The font family is this. Let us change it to something completely different. For example, Verdana. Now back to its original. Here you can customize the look and style of all these programming languages. That's it guys, I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I have published many courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, and with your everyday life. You can check out my channel and watch my other videos for free. Take care and have beautiful times.